paralyzed. The Beast is in town, and we are on an adventure. We are fulfilling one of my dad's bucket list items today. We're going to a pond he's wanted to see since he was a child.
Will be arrested.
Shit.
Yeah.
Should we call somebody and ask permission?
No, I don't see any phone number.
Did they say these signs would be up?
They said there would be no trespassing sign.
So where we're taking my dad today is going to be difficult because it's not supposed to have wheelchair access. It's just for people on their feet only, so it's going to be tough. I don't know.
Maybe you can push the whole thing.
No, it's screwed in.
Oh, you got the bracket ready, set.
Wow.
Oh, you guys can't do
We've been listed some help.
The thing is there, you got me from right here.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, try it
I mean,
again.
we're gonna have to kind of like,
Yeah.
usually, we're gonna end up fighting desk here.
Nah.
So,
No, you gotta trust these boys. They're strong. Look at this guy.
1, 2, 3.
We got a country boy here. He's strong.
And they said it couldn't be done.
That's right. It might be easier to get through on the way back.
That's one heck of a pond.
There's a kind of sandbar there that collects all the agates on it, I guess. This must be the Willamette River here.
Probably. I feel like we're filming Stand By Me right
We
now.
are. This is an adventure.
No trespassing.
Wow, you guys.
No, a big tree fall the storm.
It did. It fell down. I see. So.
But what happened? A big storm comes.
Yep.
Another tree down.
Yep. What do you think?
Oh, are you taking my picture, Anna?
No.
You're too.
Damn too. You mad?
No, no, man.
It's kind of exciting.
What do you want?
This is pretty cool that my dad gets to do something he's wanted to do his whole life. Come here, darling. You want to pick a blackberry? Come here. No. Very good. Yum yum.
That pond water. So clear. Doesn't look very clear to me.
This is up here and it's amazing. Seriously, wait until you see this. It's amazing, you guys. Yeah, I mean, it's wow worthy for sure.
Rock news in there. But to me, doesn't believe we're at least a half a mile away now.
You can come down. Yeah. I don't know really. Let me look. Think you're getting your workout, honey. Oh my God, what did we get ourselves into? Guys, guess what? It's right behind you.
All right. Well, make sure we don't fall into it.
Yeah. Look at all the cottonwood. Yeah, it looks like it's snowing. Is it still that way?
Well, I tell you, never really.
Yeah.
When we got there, the road said it was restricted. And we almost turned around and went back, but then we decided to do it anyways. It was a lot harder than we thought it was gonna be, and it was about a half-a-mile trek, and it was a fun day. It was beautiful, it was amazing.
It was. We didn't see 2 people the entire time.
So thanks for watching our video, you guys. I hope that you thought it was fun to see us cross something off of a bucket list for my dad. And we hope that you tune in again and like, subscribe, and turn on the little bell to get notifications.
No, no, no.